Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step instructions on how to install a bidet attachment on a toilet. Bidet parts. Bidet attachment with knob. Adjustable mounting bracket. T-valve connector with rubber cone. Braided metal bidet hose. Non-slip mat. Teflon tape. Installing the slim edge bidet. First, remove the existing toilet seat. Close the water supply valve. Disconnect the water hose from underneath the toilet tank. Some leftover water. Make sure the washer is properly seated on the T-valve, the narrow side up. Connect the T-valve to the toilet fill valve. Attach the water supply hose to the bottom of the T-valve. Connect the metal hose provided to the open side of the T-valve. Insert these non-slip mats to the bottom of the bidet. Place the bidet on the toilet with a mounting bracket. Make adjustment to make sure that the bidet is centered and that you can see the bolt holes. Place the toilet seat back. So I learned that you can remove the bolts from the toilet seat so that it is easier to install the bidet. Now I'm going to slide the toilet seat into the bolts. Connect the supplied metal hose to the bidet water connection underneath the handle of the slim edge bidet. Slowly turn the water supply back on to check for leaks. We're gonna test it. Backwash and the front wash. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos of DIY, couponing, restoration, and other food related videos, please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out the playlist. The videos are sorted per subject so it's easier to find. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.